How to create a subscription service in Wix Studio. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a subscription service in Wix Studio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website builder that allows individuals and businesses to create professional-looking websites without needing advanced technical or coding skills, in which it offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, a wide selection of customizable templates, a built-in tools for design, content management, and functionality. And Wix also supports various website types including personal blogs, business website, portfolios, and online stores. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description or the get started button. Then you will be directed in here after signing in. But in here to start creating using Wix Studio, like this website right here, just click this create new site and click studio template to proceed. But since I already have here my website that has been created with Wix Studio, I'm just going to click here this edit site or the select site button in here. By simply clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page. And from here on the left side panel, to start adding a subscription services, we can start installing an application by clicking apps and click app market right here and start searching on the search bar subscriptions. Upon searching on it, you should see here this option Wix pricing plans. But in here, there's a variety of application that you can choose from. From here, I'm just going to simply go back to this page, and before we start installing it, I'm just going to click the home page and click the edit site button on the top right corner, in which there's also an alternative way on how we can start adding a subscription services. The other way in here is going to this edit site section, and in here just go on the left side bottom and find the app market option. By clicking this app market, in here on the search bar, once again just do the same process of searching subscriptions. After that, it will show you again the result in here and choose this week's pricing plans. So kindly click on it, and after that, the next thing that you need to do is to click add to site button. And then on this pop-up window, all you need to do is wait for it to load. And in here, start adding the week's pricing plans, as you can see. So all you need to do is wait for it to load in here, since it will automatically add everything that you need to create the subscription services. Then you will be directed in here. This is basically the sample of it, of those subscription plans. So now from here, to start customizing the plan, all you need to do is simply click Manage Plans button. By doing so, it will show you in here under the dashboard, the pricing plan or catalog. We can start creating a plan by clicking Create Plan button. Under Plan Info, just enter here the plan name. For instance, under the plan name, I'm just going to simply enter Starter Tier. But you could also customize depending on your preferences as well. You can add a description, and in here, which is the features that will tell customers what the main features are. For instance, using the start tier, they will get a 100 uploads as an example of media files in here. And you could also add more, such as, for instance, in here, they will have an access to different kind of features, but in here I'm going to enter CAM20 feature, but that is just only an example. Now for the other one, I'm just going to enter a random, which is unlimited export options. And after that, just scroll down and you can find the pricing info and strategy, including the free plan, the one-time payment, or the recurring payments, and it will show you in here the price amount. For an example, 250 pesos monthly. You could also choose weekly, yearly, and many more. You can change or charge setup fee, enable free trial, such as for 7 days, 14, but I'm going to choose the 7 days. And below, you could also select the plan duration. In here, I'm going to choose until cancelled. Now it will show us on the right side panel the preview of it. Under the settings, you could also limit to 1 subscription per customer, or many more. Allow plan cancellation, let customers set a starting date, and many more. So there's a variety of information under the settings that you could also add to the subscription services. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to add here a card images. Then on this pop-up window, I'm going to choose from media from Wix. I'm just going to simply search here, for example, a gold background. Upon searching on it, I'm going to choose this one, which is in here, and click add to page. Now it will show you that we have now successfully added here the images and every information that we need. Now click the save button on the top right to save the changes. You could also create another plan if you want to, such as another kind of plan on your services, such as, for example, the name Platinum tier and any other kind of tier or plan depending on your preferences as well. So just do the same process of adding it. Now moving on, you could also create a coupon for each plan if you want to, and even set up a payment methods. But to start adding store products, subscription services, just simply go to the catalog section under store products. By clicking on it, just simply choose here the product you want to add subscription services. Upon clicking this, for example, it will show us in here if you scroll down the info that says create a subscription. You can add here a subscription to this product if you want to by filling out the required info in here. And now upon saving these changes, you can now click or close this part of dashboard. And as you can see, we have now successfully created a subscription services. Just click the publish button to save the changes in here. And overall, that is just how you can create a subscription service in Wix Studio. Thank you.